You want to connect your HP DeskJet 4120 printer to Wi-Fi but don't know how to do it? Well, the easiest way to connect is by using the HP Smart app. So in today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions to connect your printer with Wi-Fi. For one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. If you're sticking with the video, let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Turn on the HP DeskJet 4120e printer and wait for it to fully boot up. Load the papers in the rear paper tray so your printer is ready to print. Open the paper output tray at the top of the printer. Press and hold the cancel and wireless buttons together for 3 seconds to activate Wi-Fi setup mode. After 3 seconds, the power mode light should start flashing and wireless light should start blinking. This means your printer is ready to connect. Download the HP Smart app on your computer and create or sign in to your HP account. If you need help downloading the HP Smart app and creating an account on your computer, watch our other videos linked in the description. Just pause this video and check the description below. Open the HP Smart app and click on the Add Printer button. Select Setup under your HP DeskJet 4100 printer when it appears. Click on Continue to proceed with the setup process. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials related to HP printers, tell us your issues in the comments. If prompted, select Continue to let the app access your Wi-Fi password. This allows the app to automatically connect your printer to your network. After the connection is established, click on Continue and follow any on-screen prompts that appears. And finally, your HP DeskJet 4120e series is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to print wirelessly. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.